Hello everyone, I just received this package from Lazada. I ordered Surface Go for my daughter. Okay. This is the Surface cover, the type cover, the keyboard. And this is the 128 gig SSD model with 8 gigs RAM. It's the faster one. It's better than the 64 gig. You can find this one with the cover type for around 640 US. I got this one with the extra antivirus and Microsoft Office for around 680 US dollar. Okay, let's open this one. It's nice packaging, nice box. Okay. Okay, this is the kickstand all the way back. It has only one USB-C port and the headphone and the charging Microsoft charger, the magnetic one, and no other ports, unfortunately. And these are the power button and the volume. Okay, I will do a full review later on, so let's put this one aside. Okay, this is the manual. What else comes here? Okay, this should be the charger. The typing cover was as an extra. It's not in the package, so the pen is not there also, and the cover is extra. But I have the pen from my Lenovo, so it will be interesting to see if that will work. Okay, so this is the magnetic charger. Okay, and this is the type cover. Okay, hopefully I can follow up this video with a review video on the performance of the Surface Go. Thank you for watching.